in a flash. Well, I'm taking a bit of time off from making my model boats, and I'm going to restore this boat for a community project. I've got a young guy helping me on the weekends.
Just enough!
And she's going to become a four-man rowboat. This is the project I want to do now. I want to cut away all of this rotten timber and put in a piece of solid hardwood that I can attach the rubbing strips to. So I'll make this before I attach the rubbing strips, and it'll just strengthen up this whole bow area. So what I've done to start with is I've cut out a paper pattern like this, and this is approximately the shape I want it. A little bit of fine tuning there, but that's basically what I want. So I'm going to transfer this to the foam, and I'm going to cut the shape that I want to be able to know that I've got the right shape before I actually go to hardwood and make the final piece. So I'll cut that out and start shaping. I am going to replace these two battens eventually, but for this exercise I've just cut them away in basically the angle that I want, and I've shaped my piece of foam just roughly, got it into shape, and that fits very nicely into there. So I've pretty well got the shape and angles I want. I will have to trim it a little bit here, but that's basically what I've got. And now all I have to do is transfer this to a piece of hardwood, and I can set it in. And if you've watched my movies in the past, you'll know I do just about all my shaping with a giant killer belt sander. This little monster does a good job very quickly. Slowly, slowly, bit by bit, she'll eventually fit in.